Poco M3 came out back in November of last year and quickly emerged as one of the best value for money budget devices on the market. A new FCC certification has now revealed that a Pro variant is in the work, and this will be a 5G phone called as Poco M3 Pro 5G, and this will be the most affordable 5G phone in Asian market, also available in America and Europe. There is also a rumor or news that this device is a rebranded version of the Redmi Note 10 5G, which was launched in the beginning of the March in China. So Poco M3 Pro 5G will be a rebranded version of Redmi Note 10 5G. Coming to its specification, the Poco M3 Pro 5G aka Redmi Note 10 5G brings a 90Hz LCD with a full HD plus resolution and an 8MP selfie cam. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset along with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. When it comes to battery, it has got a large 5000 mAh of battery that supports 18W fast charging technology. So we have to wait and watch how this will compete with the Realme 8 5G. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.